Welcome to Pine 5. PineScript is TradingView's programming language. It allows traders to create their own trading tools and run them on our servers. We designed Pine as a lightweight, yet powerful, language for developing indicators and strategies that you can then backtest. Most of TradingView's built-in indicators are written in Pine, and our thriving community of Pine coders has published more than 1 lakh community scripts. It's our explicit goal to keep Pine accessible and easy to understand for the broadest possible audience. Pine is cloud-based and therefore different from client-side programming languages. While we likely won't develop Pine into a full-fledged language, we do constantly improve it and are always happy to consider requests for new features. Because each script uses computational resources in the cloud, we must impose limits in order to share these resources fairly among our users. We strive to set as few limits as possible, but will of course have to implement as many as needed for the platform to run smoothly. Limitations apply to the amount of data requested from additional symbols, execution time, memory usage, and script size. Introduction. Welcome to the PineScript User Manual, which will accompany you in your journey to learn to program your own trading tools in Pine. Welcome also to the very active community of Pine coders on TradingView. In this page, we present a step-by-step approach that you can follow to gradually become more familiar with indicators and strategies, also called scripts, written in the Pine programming language on TradingView. We will get you started on your journey too. Use some of the tens of thousands of existing scripts on the platform. Read the Pine code of existing scripts. Write Pine scripts. If you are already familiar with the use of Pine scripts on TradingView and are now ready to learn how to write your own, then jump to the Writing Scripts section of this page. If you are new to our platform, then please read on. Using scripts. If you are interested in using technical indicators or strategies on TradingView, you can first start exploring the thousands of indicators already available on our platform. You can access existing indicators on the platform in two different ways. By using the Charts Indicators and Strategies button, or by browsing TradingView's Public Library, the largest repository of scripts in the world, with more than 1 lakh scripts, most of which are free and open source, which means you can see their Pine code. If you can find the tools you need already written for you, it can be a good way to get started and gradually become proficient as a script user until you are ready to start your programming journey in Pine. Loading scripts from the chart. To explore and load scripts from your chart, use the Indicators and Strategies button. The dialog box presents different categories of scripts in its left pane. Favorites lists the scripts you have favorited by clicking on the star that appears to the left of its name when you mouse over it. My Scripts displays the scripts you have written and saved in the Pine editor. They are saved in TradingView's cloud. Built-ins groups all TradingView built-ins organized in 4 categories: indicators, strategies, candlestick patterns, and volume profiles. Most are written in Pine and available for free. Community Scripts is where you can search from the 100,000 plus published scripts written by TradingView users. Invite-only scripts contains the list of the invite-only scripts you have been granted access to by their authors. Here, the section containing the TradingView built-ins is selected. When you click on one of the indicators or strategies, the ones with the green and red arrows following their name, it loads on your chart. Browsing Community Scripts. From TradingView's homepage, you can bring up the Community Scripts stream from the Community menu. Here, we are pointing to the Editor's Picks section, but there are many other categories you can choose from. You can also search for scripts using the homepage's search field and filter scripts using different criteria. The Help Center has a page explaining the different types of scripts that are available. The Scripts stream shows script widgets, i.e., placeholders showing a miniature view of each publication's chart and description, and its author. By clicking on it, you will open the Scripts page, where you can see the script on a chart, read the author's description, like the script, leave comments, or read the script's source code if it was published open source. Once you find an interesting script in the Community Scripts, follow the instructions in the Help Center to load it on your chart. Changing script settings. Once a script is loaded on the chart, You can double-click on its name, number 1, to bring up its Settings Inputs tab, number 2. The Inputs tab allows you to change the settings which the script's author has decided to make editable. You can configure some of the script's visuals using the Style tab of the same dialog box, and which timeframes the script should appear on using the Visibility tab. Other settings are available to all scripts from the buttons that appear to the right of its name when you mouse over it, and from the More menu, the 3 dots. Reading scripts. Reading code written by good programmers is the best way to develop your understanding of the language. This is as true for Pine as it is for all other programming languages. Finding good open source Pine code is relatively easy. These are reliable sources of code written by good programmers on TradingView. The TradingView built-in indicators. Scripts selected as editor's picks. Scripts by the authors the Pinecoders account follows. Scripts by authors with high reputation and many open source publications. Reading code from scripts you find in the PuClick library is easy. If you don't see a gray or red lock icon in the upper right corner of the scripts widget, this indicates the script is open source. By opening its script page, you will be able to see its source. To see the code of TradingView built-ins, load the indicator on your chart, then hover over its name and select the source code curly braces icon. If you don't see it, it's because the indicator's source is unavailable. When you click on the icon, the Pine editor will open and from there, you can see the script's code. If you want to play with it, you will need to use the editor's More menu button at the top right of the editor's pane and select Make a Copy. You will then be able to modify and save the code. Because you will have created a different version of the script, you will need to use the editor's Add to Chart button to add that new copy to the chart. This shows the Pine editor having just opened after we selected the View Source button from the indicator on our chart. We are about to make a copy of its source because it is read-only for now, indicated by the lock icon near its file name in the editor. You can also open TradingView built-in indicators from the Pine editor, accessible from the Pine editor tab at the bottom of the chart, by using the Open New Default built-in script. Menu selection. Writing scripts. We have built Pine Script to empower both budding and seasoned traders to create their own trading tools. We have designed it so it is relatively easy to learn for first-time programmers, although learning a first programming language, like trading, is rarely very easy for anyone, yet powerful enough for knowledgeable programmers to build tools of moderate complexity. Pine allows you to write 3 types of scripts. Indicators like RSI, MACD, etc. Strategies which include logic to issue trading orders and can be back-tested and forward-tested. Libraries which are used by more advanced programmers to package oft-used functions that can be reused by other scripts. The next step we recommend is to write your first indicator. Pine